Alright, so we've been able to. Alright, so you're welcome to my project, and today we'll be looking at some tests. Okay, so we're trying to test the student department, student.js, teacher.js, and department.js, and lot more. And we had on the test we have 5 passed, 48 was also passed. Okay, from the test. Alright, so very quickly we're going to look at posting teachers. Okay, so what we quickly did was quickly logged in. So let me try to log out. Okay, let me quickly log out. So I'm already logged in. Alright, so I'm logged out, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to call API dot, and I'm going to look at teachers. Okay, so I'm going to look for tryouts to see if we can execute and then get all teachers in the database. Alright, so we have one teacher in the database already, so we're going to try to add another teacher in the database. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to post here. So we're going to post in the database, and this is what we're going to do. We're going to try it out, and here we're actually asking for first name. So let's say the first name is Sandra. Okay, and last name is, let's say, Uche. And here in the email address, let's just call the name Sandra UC. Let's add at gmail.com. Okay, and here let's check the department should be, let's say, science. Okay, and the office should be block 5, and let's add in a high date. Let's say 12 of August 2022, and let's try to execute that. Now we're going to notice that it's authorized. Please log in to access this resource. So we don't have any authorization to log in here, but all we need to do is to log in into the database. So to do that, we'll just go back here, and then we'll go to, I'm going to add a login. So login. So very quickly, yes, now we are in the database. So now we are logged in, and let's try that again. Let's try to see if it's going to work. Let's go back to teachers, and let's post new teacher. So it's going to change that. So let's click on tryout, and here we're going to see add the same teacher, and here we're going to add the last name as Uche, but here we're going to add the email as Sandra UC at gmail.com. Okay, and here let's say department is computer science, and here the office block 5, and the hiring date is on the 12/08/22. Okay, so let's try to execute that and check the message. Alright, teacher created successfully. So we already have a teacher in the database right now. Okay, so let's check if this teacher is in the database, because we try to log in to gain access to be able to post teachers. So let's check our MongoDB if that teacher is in the MongoDB. So as we're trying to wait for the MongoDB to pop open, let's also look at let's go back to our VS Code. So what was I doing here to test all of this? I was actually having my test folder, and inside my test folder I had the courses.test. So this was going to test everything here. Okay, so here on my package.json, all I did was I named the jest. So I downloaded this package, and I installed this package, and then I named it test1, so long as I already have test here up. So I named that test1, so just to differentiate So let me show you what it's doing here. We are going to test this. So we're going to check in our terminal. We're using a PowerShell. Let me see. Try to change that to Git batch. Let's try to change that to Git batch. So I'm going to say npm run test one, right? So method times test everything, blah blah blah, or running in this package, and we're having, all right, 5 passed. So the total is 5, right? So we got 5 passed, and the total is 48. We had a 48 pass, so everything was passed. Okay, so go back to this error messages we are getting. The error messages we're only getting is in the test we actually mock the MongoDB. Okay, so we actually make use of mock. So we are mocking the collection, okay, here in the MongoDB. Mock the database, okay, so we are actually mocking. So that's why we were getting this error messages. But everything is passed because we are actually targeting what? By testing the department, student, teachers. So I had a new collection, department and teachers. So that was what I had in the new collection, and we already passed all of that. Alright, thank you very much for watching, and I'm going to have this link in my YouTube, so you can probably have access to it. Thank you so much, and bye bye.